Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about nepotism. बहुत अच्छा है word है. It is right now going around on internet after the death of famous actor Sushant Singh Rajput. That everybody is talking about nepotism. Nepotism है Bollywood industry में है. But I want to tell you, or I want to ask you. I mean, nepotism is there everywhere. Where do you find that nepotism is not there? Tell me a place where nepotism is not there. This is a very serious question I'm asking, because if you step out of your house, and even if your house there is nepotism, there might be a possibility that one of your siblings is preferred by your parents or other, or over you. And it is quite a possibility that you love one of your child. If you have got children, then you love one of your child more than the other. The reason might be anything. That child might not be keeping up well. That child might be little less intelligent according to you, because a smaller child you cannot judge whether he or she is intelligent or not. So the reason might be anything, but nepotism is there in family also. As soon as you're there in the house, as soon as you are born, I mean there is nepotism. Some uncle and aunt will love you more than others. Some will hate you. So don't think that nepotism is not there, not there everywhere. It is there everywhere. If you step into your office, then nepotism is there. I mean, one of some people who you call very gleefully, you call chamchas of boss. Some people and some colleague of yours is very favorite to your boss, and it's favorite to the management also. So I mean, this is also nepotism. They're favoring any candidate over other, or over other candidate or other. It is nepotism. So there might be a colleague, or there might be many colleagues in your office who are favorite to your boss, and the boss does little bit of a favor to them. He listens to them. He doesn't listen to you. So this is also nepotism. You are facing nepotism in your office. If this is the situation, if you are in class, there is always a very favorite student of the class, who actually every teacher loves to talk to them. Every teacher loves to delegate work to him or her. So this is also nepotism. You face nepotism in school. There are always very favorite teachers. The teacher gives more marks. The teacher gives more liberties to that student. So nepotism is there in school also. Nepotism is there when in friends also. Some of you yourself will prefer some of your friends, calling them your best friends. You prefer some friends over others, and in a group also. So that is also nepotism, because you are preferring. Wherever you will give preference to some person based on anything, based on the caste, based on the creed, anything, there is nepotism. Some nepotism is there. I mean, casteism is the biggest source of nepotism. वो हमारी कास्ट का है जी, वो ब्राह्मण है जी, वो ठाकुर है जी, वो हिंदू है, वो मुसलमान है. तो इस तरह से नेपोटिज्म आता है. आप रीजन वाइज नेपोटिज्म होता है. वो हमारे गांव के हैं जी, उनका काम कर दो पहले, तो ये भी नेपोटिज्म. तो ये नेपोटिज्म जो है, इट इज़ नॉट ओनली प्रिवेलेंट इन बॉलीवुड, इट इज़ देयर एवरीवेयर. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू नाउ, व्हाट इज द सोल्यूशन? यू कांट डू एनीथिंग. Just keep working hard. Believe in your karma, keep working hard, and since nepotism is there everywhere, so you can't help it. So stop thinking about it. And there might be occasions where you are at a disadvantage, but then there might be occasions where you are in an advantage also. So I mean, you might get the favor also due to nepotism. So it depends on which stage of life you are. So if you summarize your life over a long period of time, you will realize that, I mean, in some places you are at an advantage, and at some places you are at a disadvantage. But you have to look at a bigger span, a bigger period. You cannot decide good or bad over a short period of time as far as nepotism is concerned. If you think that, I mean, you'll decide whether nepotism is favoring you or not within a span of 2 or 3 years, then you're wrong. The span should be 20 years, 25 years of your career, professional career, or of your life. Then you'll realize that at some point you are in an advantage, you got unfair advantage, and at some point you are dumped unceremoniously. So Bollywood is full of nepotism because it is more marketed and people talk about it more. But nepotism is there everywhere. And let me conclude with this little controversial statement. Even God does nepotism. You might see your colleague, your sibling, your friend doing very well in life, be very lucky, getting very lucky with life, and that luck is not favoring you. So if you think that, I mean, you're not that lucky in your life, or if you think that, I mean, you're under similar circumstances, the other person is getting luckier and you're not the luck of dice is not rolling in your favor, then this is also nepotism by the God. So God is also indulged in nepotism. So don't worry about nepotism. Believe in your karma. Do hard work. Keep doing hard work day in and day out. That is the key. Hard work day in and day out. Every day you get up and do hard work. Be very focused in your life. Think what you want. Just plan your life. And when you go to bed, just see how many things you were able to do, perform perfectly. And next day, make a plan about next day. And with this, you can beat any competition. Nepotism is also a competition. So yeah, fittest of all has to survive. So I mean, beat the nepotism and take it as a competition. And please don't take any drastic steps. It is not wise. Bye.